Today I'm going to take a small topic about loops in Java. Loops are one of the most powerful tools in Java programming. They allow us to repeat the block of code multiple times without writing it again and again. Instead of wasting time with repetitive lines, loops make programs shorter, clear, and easier to understand. Wherever it's a process data, validating user input or building menus, loops helps us automate tasks and improve efficiency. In this presentation, we will explore the three main types of loops in Java: for loop, while loop, and do while loop, and see how each one helps in solving real-world problems effectively. Why use loops in Java? Automate tasks. Loops eliminate repeating code, saving development times and reducing human errors in your program. Clear code. Replace hundreds of duplicate lines as with a single elegant loop structure that's easy to read and modify. Maximum efficiency. Execute complex operations on large dataset without writing repetitive code block. Follow the best for when for you exact how many iteration for you need. Perfect for continuing operations, array processing and control repeating tasks. And then while loop, repeating while loop, a condition remaining is a true. Ideal for user input validation, file reading, and condition-based iterations. Do while loop ensure at least one execution greater or system game loops and scenarios requiring graduated executions. Here I am showing a simple for loop programming. Here I will initialize for I is equal to 1, and then the conditions will be 5. It's a loop will be iterating 5 times. So count was 5 times. Output should be system dot println count 1. So and 5 iterate 5 times, and then output should be like this. Look at in this one. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So 5 times iterations in here. So there is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. This is a for loop syntax in Java. And here I am showing a while loop in Java. I initialize I is equal to 1, and then it's a condition I will put in a while loop, and I greater than equal to 5, and this count will be iterate I and 5 times, and then the output will be incremented. It means a hyperspace incremented, and then finally its output should be like this. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 in. It's a syntax in while loop. And then here is a do while loop syntax in Java. Uh, After that, in this syntax in do while loop first run, after that the condition is checked. If true, the loop continue. If false, loop stop here. And then it's a basic introduction of about do while loop. And then int I is the installation value 1, and then do while loop system say incremented in this I so count plus I plus plus, then check it in y loop y I greater than equal to 5, and then and checking, and then the finally output should be like this: number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. This is the syntax of do while loop. And finally can conclude going to the conclusion. And yeah, I think all of them get it what's all of them get what's a loop in Java, what's a role in Java, a loop in Java, and everything about loops. And then I'm going to conclusion. Java loops are the foundation of effective programming. By using loop, developers save time, require errors, and make their code more relatable and maintainable. Therefore, loop provide practice control. The while loop works perfectly when condition guide repetition, and then do while loop ensure execution at least once. Together, these looping structures empower programmers to handle these tasks of any size with confidence. Mastering loop meaning mastering one of the key skills needed to write smart, reusable, and powerful Java programming. And thank you all.